Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Today, I'm showing you guys how I threw a simple, stylish, and sentimental 42nd birthday party for my husband using what I already had on hand. And so after I went and got the theme together, I went and found some great coupons on Walgreens.com. I ended up spending less than $20 out of pocket in order to bring this birthday design into fruition. So first things first, I knew that I wanted to keep things a bit simple because he's enjoying golf right now and he's also enjoying the simple life. And a lot of times as event planners and event designers, we often want to go over the top, but we have to keep the person that we are planning the party for in mind. And I wanted him to be at the forefront of everything that I did for his birthday this year. So instead of tables, I opted for high boys. I wanted it to be very casual, very light, very easy, just easy for people to move in and out as they celebrated with him. So I used this high boy table that I got from Walmart. Y'all, I love these. They are great for cake tables as well for a wedding. They're great for sign-in tables, gift tables, and of course, they're great to use as high boys for very informal parties or for a cocktail hour. For the linen, I use these gorgeous velvet linens. I will also link these in the video as well. If you can get your hands on these in white, grab them now, okay? Not later, but now, because I've used these so many times. For the actual sign, I created this insert on Canva and I printed it out and I used a coupon, and this was like where I spent the most amount of money on printing the signs and also on his cupcakes. In terms of design, this is where I spent my money, which was on printing the signs. I already had these hydrangeas. I got them at home last summer. They had a sale on all of their florals, and I got these, believe it or not, for 99 cents. So right now, the only thing that I've spent out of pocket was the sign. And then I also, of course, already had these the stemmed candle holders, and I'm placing them on either side of the plants, and then the golf balls. I also, well, these were like little T-balls, but I'm using them as golf balls. And so that is where the less than $20 went, was the golf balls and the actual signs for the table. Please forgive me. I think I stated earlier that the cupcakes was included in that price. I don't think the cupcakes were. I did not include the price of food in that. I just wanted to use everything that I had on hand for the decor. And if you're using what you have on hand for future decor, please keep in mind that you do want to, make it personal. So whatever it takes to make it personal, whether it is a personalized sign or whether it's something that you need to add just special touches, set yourself a very small budget for that, and then you're going to be able to move forward. Now, one of the things that allowed me to be able to use what I had on hand was the fact that I owned everything that you see here. And so I was able to pull these things out of the warehouse. And because I do invest in pieces that I can use over and over again, that is the beauty of me being able to use what is on hand. I absolutely love how simple it was. I went with the greenery AstroTurf for the bottom of the backdrop, and I lit all the candles, and I had the signs on every table. It just looks so cute, you guys. I got these signs, and I have used these so many times at weddings and events. I'm able to use them over and over and over again. And again, I designed them in Canva. And for those of you all who are members of my private community here on YouTube, you can definitely check out the tutorial on how to design those signs inside of Canva. And then you can just print them off at Walgreens or CVS. I'm not faithful. It's just whoever has the best price. Okay, so next up, I am going to share with you guys the food and drink station. I absolutely love the way that we were able to just use his favorite drink at the golf course is the it's like a lemonade punch. I'll try to leave the recipe down below, but I actually called them and got the entire recipe so that I could recreate that recipe for him. And then I just used the columns to put the cupcakes on. It was really simple. The charcuterie grazing table, everybody loved the foods. They loved how easy and beautiful everything was. And most of all, it was all about him. I used about 30 feet of backdrops here, along with the floral wall. And you guys, I did a I did an Amazon Live sharing how you guys can get these floral walls now on Amazon. And let me tell you guys, you can get them quickly. I think the plain green one, it literally, you can get it within a week or so. And it is so amazing that these are now available on Amazon through Coco Flower Wall. And if you are interested in that, I will leave a link in the description box as well as in the first video. And the white balloons, we put those in the ceiling. It just added, you know, like a little bit more of dimension in the ceiling. And balloons are a very easy and cost-effective way to get, you know, just a really nice overall look. And the white and green look so clean together. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And most of all, because it's focused on what he loved, he told me later that night that this was his favorite birthday party ever, like his favorite party ever. And I was so excited, you know, that he loved it that much, and everything just turned out so beautiful. Now, speaking of beautiful, I have been sharing so many amazing things over on Amazon Live. You guys have to join me over there. I go live every Tuesday and Thursday at 7:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. And during that live, we did that floral centerpiece. We put together the backdrops that you see there. I shared a lot of tips with you all. And I'm telling you, this is the final look. It was so cute. And again, join me every Tuesday and Thursday. I will leave the link. Be sure to follow me on there and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out. And speaking of missing out, you guys, I am having my last Lux Academy class of the year in October. It's going to be my biggest wedding ever. It's going to be astounding. And so I'm going to end this video with leaving you guys some information about that and the link below for you to sign up. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online.